What I'm going to do is take some old hoses that the tech guys gave me, and I am going to use this kit to help identify the thread style and size. Usually with the style, it's pretty straightforward. Your eye will tell you what it is. And we actually do have another video, which will be linked to at the end of this video, that specifically goes over how to identify the different styles, both male and female. So in this video, we're not going to go real into depth about identifying the style. Unfortunately, I'm not actually working on a real tractor at the moment, but I also don't know the actual threads and styles of these hoses. They're not labeled or anything. So I am truly using the kit to figure out the style and size of the threads. So this will give you a little bit of kind of a real life situation of using the kit. So here I would say that this is most likely male pipe thread. You've got that little bit of a taper. There's no O-ring at the top, which would be O-ring boss. There's no O-ring embedded in the face, which would be O-ring face. And there's not that extreme taper at the end. So I'm left with pipe thread. And so then the final question is what size? When I look at the four sizes here, it looks like it's maybe somewhere in the middle. I'm going to get this one. So to look at the cover, that one's going to be 1/2 inch pipe. So I'm just going to go ahead and try threading the 1/2 inch pipe on here. And yes, that is correct. So I've identified this as male 1/2 inch pipe thread. So here we're looking at the other end of the same hose. When I pull up the zip ties, I can see there's no O-ring there. It doesn't have the extreme taper. It's a little bit harder to see if there's the general taper there, but I think we're probably working with pipe thread here, but it looks a little bit bigger this time. So since last time it was a 1/2 inch and it looking a little bit bigger, I'm going to guess it's this one, which is the 3/4 inch pipe. So this is the 3/4 inch pipe, and I'm going to thread that onto the hose here, and threads on just fine. So I've identified this hose tip as male 3/4 inch pipe thread. Here we've got a swivel female hose tip. Looking down inside it, I can see that taper. So I would say this is female JIC. As far as size, that looks a little too small. That one maybe. I'm going to guess it's going to correspond to that one. So got 3/4 inch JIC. Let's try that one. So I'm taking the 3/4 inch JIC fitting and I am threading it in, and it threads in just fine. Threads all the way to the top of the threads. So I've identified this as female 3/4 inch JIC. Here I've got a male hose tip. You can see the O-ring there. There's no metal ring on the outside of the O-ring. If there was a metal ring, that would mean it was probably metric, but in this case there's not. So most likely this is O-ring boss male. Also there's no taper, comes straight down to the edge. So I'm assuming we're working with O-ring boss male here, and it's looking pretty small. It's looking pretty small. I'd say it's smaller than that. It's smaller than this one. Probably gonna go with this one here. So that is 9/16 O-ring boss. So I'm going to thread the 9/16 O-ring boss fitting on. And yes, that fits perfectly. It presses up against the O-ring nice and firm. So I have identified this as male 9/16 O-ring boss. Here's one that I personally find a little tricky. So it's female, it swivels. It's nice I can move that back because you can see how flat that is on the inside. I'm going to guess that this is female O-ring face, and it's pretty small. So I'm going to go with the smallest O-ring face fitting, which is going to be 9/16 O-ring face. Now the reason this is tricky is because we know that the O-ring face threads, the 9/16 O-ring face threads, are going to be the same as the O-ring Boss and the O-ring JIC. So that's where we're more dependent on the style here. But I'm going to go ahead and thread the O-ring face 9/16 male and see what happens. So it does press up against it nice and firm. Now of course I don't want to accidentally lock things up here. But I would say that this is female 9/16 O-ring face. Now just out of curiosity, in a real life situation, what happens if you do thread in the 9/16 JIC? Well, oops. It's actually bumping up against the base there right away, so, or the bottom. And so as you can see here, the threads, it won't thread all the way on. And I guess that was obvious just by looking at it, that it's not JIC, because it doesn't have that taper. But then the 9/16 O-ring Boss, does seem to thread all the way on, but it's not snugging up against the O-ring. Nice. So I am going to confirm with the tech guys, but I am still going to say that this is going to be female O-ring face with a size of 9/16.